I said I was going to formally introduce you to Tally. This is Tally. She's a sweetie. Come here. She's wanting to go out, her normal routine. It's fixing a storm, see? Looks like it's fixing to come up a storm. She goes down on the side of the yard. Good girl. Good girl. And she starts to race. What are you doing? What are you doing? There, come here. Got some plants back here, and I've got a tomato plant and a pepper plant, because you can grow things here in Florida after it gets to be this time of the year. And here I've got some other flowers. She's looking for lizards. She looks everywhere for them. She goes down into the flowers to look. That's a good girl. She's just so immensely interested in them. Do something funny, girl, for Mom. You want to... Oh, there's another dog. Do you hear another dog? You think you can catch one? Want to catch a lizard? Oh, there was a lizard. It was a real little one, but it was a lizard. She's pretty quick at catching them. I think it went the other way, girl. You're a good girl. Alright, you ready to go back in? You want a treat? Come on, you want a treat? Come on, we'll get a treat. You want a treat? No? You want to look for lizards? Come. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go in and get a treat. Come on. Come on, let's go get a treat. Let's get a treat. Let's go inside. Come here. You want a treat? What kind of treat do you want? Let's get one out. You want a treat? It's hard to get one out one-handed. Well, I don't know if I can get it open. Maybe I'll give you one of these milk bones instead. I can get that out. Come here. Oh, there she goes. All right. See y'all later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.